Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI craft without actually looking like AI. So for that, I will be using Ideogram. You can use any tool that you would like. So if you do not have an Ideogram account, open your browser, type in ideogram.ai and simply sign up. This is completely free to some extent. So go ahead and, get logged into your account. Then you will see a page like this under what will you create? Type in your prompt. Make sure that you type in AI art and also make sure that you type in to make it natural. Once done, select send. Now, as you can see, it can give up to 4 images at a time. So let's select view in creations. Now here are my 4 images. Let's go ahead and click on this one right here. If you would want some changes here, you're going to have to, select edit or simply type in your prompt to make changes. And select open in studio. You can also regenerate, make some AI edits, remix, or layerize text. Now, once you're satisfied with the image, select this export button. And as I mentioned, this is free, but to some limit. So let's go ahead and select SD quality, which is providing 85% quality. Once done, open your image. And this is what it looks like. So guys, thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.